Hundreds of Taoist deities were all born here, at the last store in Singapore that still makes these statues by hand.
Taoism was founded by Lao Tzu, who was born in 600 BC, and at the time it started more as a philosophy in China.
Meet the last family in Singapore that's still in the business of handcrafting Taoist effigies. Although Taoism does not specifically idolize one god in practice, the philosophy involves worshipping many deities, all of whom are subject to the Tao. Here's how they're made. Upon commission, the family uses a tongshu, or Chinese almanac, to find the most auspicious dates to start and finish the work. Then, a block of wood is carved in the image of the deity. A special dough made from a secret family recipe is then applied with bamboo sticks to make symbolic motifs like peonies, chrysanthemums, and dragons. Then, the deity is gilded and painted. Finally, it's given one of 30 different eyebrow styles. The art of sculpting has been passed down for generations in the family.
We were said to have learned this craft from a master in Tong'an, in an area in China. And I'm from the Ng family that's been running sitting Buddha shop for the past 123 years.
我结婚18岁，我的母亲讲，人家问你的女儿嫁给那个先生，你是去做什么工啊？我的妈妈不好意思讲做这个。
A livelihood based on spirits and gods might seem peculiar in modern-day Singapore, but it didn't stop Grandma Tan from learning the craft.
我先生做工作这边，我就坐在旁边看，看着他去厕所啊是什么，我就拿来做。他回来看到我做的不对，就跟我解释，叫我做了很久啊，我们做5代人了嘞。
Once a week, Zhi Yong and his brother learn the family craft from their dad and grandmother.
我孙子有空就来学了，他们有兴趣了，到现在可以传下来嘛，给他以后一代一代传下去，不是比较好？
It feels like this is really important to do. This shop can be more than just for the Taoist community.
To grow this community, Zhi Yong has created a new vision for his family's business, offering tours and redesigning the effigies to appeal to a secular audience.
It's very critical for us to be able to balance the line between innovation and tradition. So when you think about what is the core of the shop, I think it is the stories, and I think it is the craft. My grand-uncle was quoted once saying that if you want me to carve a statue of Jesus, I will do it because we're artists.
If you enjoyed this video, we've got a lot more stories about Chinese gods, traditions, and preserving old culture on Goldthread.
Put your feet up and just relax. Come on, you gotta let it go.